Hello students, today we will do exercise of chapter 5 coal and petroleum. So let's start from question number 1. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as a fuel? So the answer is the advantages of using CNG and LPG as a fuels are they burn with a smokeless flame and so does not cause any pollution. Second, they leave no ash on burning. And third, they are easy to handle and convenient to store. Okay. Now question number 2. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. So the answer is bitumen. Okay. Now question number 3. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? So, millions of years ago, trees, plants, ferns, and forests got buried below the rocks, soils, and sand due to natural processes like flooding, earthquake, etc. Slowly, as more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. This led to the condition of high pressure and heat. These conditions, along with the anaerobic conditions turn the carbon enriched organic matter of wood into coal. So this slow process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. Okay. Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Fossils fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. B. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called petroleum refinery. C. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG. Question number 5. Tick true or false against the following statements. So, fossils fuels can be made in the laboratory. It is false. B. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. It is also false. C. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. It's true. D. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. It is also true. And E. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. So this is false. Okay. Now question number 6. Explain why fossils fuel are exhaustible natural resource. So fossil fuels take millions of years to be formed. They are limited in nature and cannot be replenished easily once consumed. Hence they are considered as exhaustible natural resources. Now question number 7. Describe the characteristic and uses of coke. So the answer is, at first we write characteristic of coke. Coke is 98% pure carbon. It is a tough, porous and black substance. It produces a very little smoke. And uses of coke. Coke is a very useful as a fuel. It is a good reducing agent. It is widely used in metallurgical processes to reduce metals from their oxides. It is used for producing water gas. Now question number 8. Explain the process of the formation of petroleum. So, petroleum is formed by the burial of aquatic plants and animals below the seabed. The marine animals and plants died thousands of years ago and settled down in the bottom of the sea. In anaerobic conditions, microorganisms decompose this organic matter. Due to high pressure and heat, the dead remains of tiny plants and animals were slowly converted into petroleum. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 आप बुक से लिख लेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में एक टेबल दी हुई है. उस टेबल को हमने यहाँ पर ग्राफ में बनाया है. ग्राफ बनाना आप सब जानते हैं. ठीक है. तो ये ग्राफ आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में बना लेंगे. ओके. हियर अवर chapter 5 is completed. So write exercise in your fair copy.